Hi guys, Alex here, Master Garage again. 2016 Range Rover Sport HSE. We're gonna do the rear brake pads and rotors. I'm gonna give you a quick guide. Okay, before that, you gotta release that electronic braking system. What you're gonna do is just gonna be installed right here at the back of the caliper. So disconnect the connector first. There is a tab, push it down and pull it back all the way. There is two little screws. The star screw goes to both sides. Okay, you gotta use the, let me see what it is. You gotta use the T30, take them off and just push it back. It's gonna come out. Then after that, you're gonna use the star again. Number, let me see, T45. At the back of here, right there, as you see, back of the piston, you are gonna put it there, turn it all the way clockwise. What I'm doing, just like that. Doing all the way clockwise. Then, until it's stopped. After that, you can push the pads all the way back, far away, and use this 13mm socket here. Pull up the external side, take off the brakes. There is two more screws right here, which my finger is pointed right there. You gotta use the 15mm 12-point socket. Let me show it to you. Right here. 15mm 12-point socket. I got it right here. Yeah, and loose them up, take that off, and in order to take the rotor, take this screw off, hammer at the side right there and there, and it's gonna drop down. Put the new one back in there, put the caliper back in there, tight those screws, which I already mentioned about that, 15mm 12-point. Put the brake pads in there, put the external caliper, tight the screw with the 13mm, and then put the electronic component emergency brake pack, tight the screw, reconnect the connector, and it should be good to go. The only thing that I forgot to mention is you got to replace the sensor anytime that you replace the brake pad from the passenger side. It has got just one sensor. It goes from here, right here, and it goes through that way all the way down there. You're not gonna miss the connector. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.